Hello everyone, so in today's video you are going to learn about the knights. What are the knights? Right? Till now you have understand about the pages, right? And I've already, first I want to tell you that these are the four knights, right? Four we are having pages, same four we are having queens and four we are having kings. All are 4 cards, right? These are total 16 cards and they depicts different 16 personality. In this video, you are going to learn about the knights. First, I tell you about what is the common factor. You can see that they are wearing the armor, means they are protecting themselves. They are more protecting energies. In the pages, as you have seen that they have initiated, they have made new ideas. But in these cards, you can see that they are initiating those ideas. They have started working on those ideas, right? So pages is the stage where we create new ideas and knight is the stage where we already started implementing those ideas. We haven't got result yet, right? We just have started implementing those ideas. Okay, so these are the knights. Well, knights, as I told you, the age of the pages is between 14 to 20 years old, and all about the knights, their ages are between 20 to 30 years old peoples. They are such kind of persons. Okay, and they are more about what kind of a suit they are handling. We'll go in detail with that. Okay, as you can also see, there are the horses here. The speed of the horses too fast. Here he has taken the action. And here you can see the one leg of the horse, and here you see that horse is standing still. As I already told you that whenever you are reading the cards, you must have checked that how many living beings are there. In pages, there are only one living being. And in knight, as you can see, there are two living beings. One is the horse and one other is a knight. So before reading the card, as I already told you this thing that you must go with the vibes, you must go with whatever vibes, whatever intuition you are getting. They are more important. Okay, so we are going to start with the Knight of Pentacles. When you see this card of the Knight of the Pentacles, it's totally a blackish horse is here and he is just standing still. What is this card telling us? That he is not taking any action. But you can see in other cards, they are taking the action. He's thinking. Right? He's still thinking. So he must start taking action. Whenever the Knight of Pentacle comes, whatever the decision is, he must start implementing on decision. He's thinking too much. He's going with overthinking. He should not go with overthinking. Right? He should stop his thinking and start taking the action. Otherwise, time will go by his hand. Okay. Another impact you can see here is the horse is black in color, which is again showing the stagnant thing, the stuckness. And stuckness, where is the stuckness is? On finances, right? Because he is holding the financial pentacle in his hand, which is depicting the finances, which is depicting the materialistic gain. So maybe right now this person is like stuck energies, right? He is not getting money from anywhere, or maybe he is right now stuck. Okay, and the negativity, where is the negativity? The negativity only is here. If you look at the card, it is yellowish in color. Yellow means growth, prosperity, new beginning. So still there is the chances of the new beginning, but he is not taking the action. That's why he can't get that beginning, right? And if you check this card, he's also wearing an armor, means he's trying to protect himself, right? He's protected right now. He's thinking too much. He's totally focused toward his pentacle. Here, the cards become irresponsible. When we check the pages, they are irresponsible persons. And as I already told you, that pages need a guidance from a matured person. They need to be more responsible. But in pentacles, what kind of a people they should be? They are responsible now, right? They can take their actions. They need to take an action related to their pentacles, related to the suit they are holding. Okay, so this is the Knight of Pentacles. Now coming to the Knight of Cups. When you see this Knight of Cups, one horse, one leg is already up. Means he has started taking the action here. He is holding the cup. This is the most romantic card of the deck. It is a romantic person. Maybe he is wandering here and there. Whenever you see the mountains, as I already told you, it shows struggle and sometimes stability also. But here it shows the struggle. There is a flowing river also, right? Maybe the path in front of this person is clear right now. And he can take the action and he will succeed. Whenever you see the wings like on his these shoes, you can see the wings, means there is an angelic energies which is protecting to this person, and this is most romantic person. It is not good for the relationship, but yes, because this person is basically, it depends for whom you are reading this card, because this is a romantic card as well, right? But this person can also be like with too many persons, with too many peoples, with too many girls, or with too many boys, as we say. So maybe not that trustful in relation. So it can also be caused. It totally depend on the reading and the cards you are getting with this. Okay, so this can be okay in relation, but I believe, and it is good for the finances. It is good if you take an initiations. It's good if you are looking for some company, or it is good for the career perspective. It is good for the health sector also, because this person is protected and also having the angelic protection with it, right? So this is good in all the perspective. If you are looking to the Knight of Wands, Wands already having so much energy, so much fire in to them, and the horse is also of the red colors, and it is also taking the decision, right? It has also started implementing the plans. He is also protected, but little bit negativity, because the blackish dress you can see here, so there is a little bit negativity in that person. Maybe he is not happy with the result he got, but there are the wings you can see as this red wing, so angelic protection is there also. It is good in perspective of like career, because it's a wand card, good in career, enthusiastics, passionate person this is. And this is also good for the health issues. It is good because we can't see any kind of a health issues, right? It's good for the health issues. It is good for like finances, career. It is okay for the relation also, right? It is okay because this person is more career oriented, right? So this person cannot give much time toward his peoples, right? His partner. So this is the Knight of Wands, which is also okay in all the sector. Now, if we talk about the Knight of Swords, when you see this Knight of Sword card, the horse is running too fast, right? It is going into the different direction. Wind is going this direction and this person is going into a different direction, right? And the horse is running. You can see the horse is also not that happy because he is too burdened with this person, right? He's trying to too much control this person. Right, maybe if we are talking about two person here, so this person is more controlled and is not happy with that control. Right, red is showing the materialistic gain, mind, stress, which is showing the stress here. Angelic wings are there, but this person is needed to be slowed down. It is going too fast. He's not thinking about other people. He's taking actions or he's taking decision too instantly that can hamper his family or can hamper his loved near and dear ones. Isn't it? So when you look at this card, this is more stressful card and he need to slow down. He should not take decision too fastly. He need to slow down. Basically, we say this thing. In health sector, we say the person is too stressful, and in relationship also we say the person is not thinking about another person or another person is not happy. So it is not that good card in perspective of relation or in perspective of health or in finances also, in career also. He need to slow down. He need to think first. He need to collect more information before entering into any company or entering into any project. This is basically the Knight of Swords. I hope you have understood till here what are the Knight cards, and I hope the things are getting more clearer now and your perspectives, your thinkings are getting more clearer now. So meeting you into the next video with the Queen's card. All the best.